Hello friends, let's go decorating kids' room walls. Here is a comprehensive guide about it. Decorating a kid's room wall can be a fun and creative project. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to decorate kids' room walls, including various themes, ideas, and materials. First of all, you need to choose a theme before starting the decorating process. It's essential to choose a theme that your kid will love. Some popular themes for kids' room include superheroes. Decorate the wall with superhero logos, posters, or decals. Then there comes princess. Create a fairy tale atmosphere with princess theme wall decals, stickers or paintings. Then there come outer space. Transform the room into a galaxy with glow in the dark, stars, planets and spaceship. The next option is for jungle adventure. Bring the jungle to the room with wall decals, stickers or paintings of animals, trees or tropical plants. Another idea is for pirate's cove. Create a pirate themed room with treasure map, pirate ship or treasure chest wall decal. You can also create a fairy garden theme with flowers, butterflies and fairy themed wall decals. Next is the time to select wall decor material. Once you have chosen a theme, it's time to select the material for decorating the wall. Super popular options include wall decals, easy to apply and remove. Wall decals are great option for kids room. Second option is for wall stickers. Similar to wall decals, wall stickers are fun and easy way to decorate the wall. After that there comes poster. Hang up the poster of your kids favorite cartoon character, superhero or sports team. You can also add painting. Create a unique and personalized wall decoration with paintings or murals. You can also add wall shelves. Add wall shelves to the display of your kids' favorite books, toys, or decorative items. The third thing that you need to do is to add wall shelves and ledges. Adding wall shelves can provide a convenient place to display your kids' favorite books, toys, and decorative items. Here are some popular options. Floating shelves. Add a modern touch to the room with floating shelves. You can also add ledges. Create a cozy reading nook with ledges and pillows. Install bookshelves to store your kids' favorite books and decorative items. And add display shelves to showcase your kids' favorite toys, awards, or trophies. Now is the time to discuss lighting. Lighting can add a magical touch to the room. Some popular options include string lights. Add a cozy ambience with string lights. You can create a magical night sky with glow-in-the-dark stars. Provide a convenient reading light with a table lamp, or you can add a floor lamp to provide additional lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Fifth task is to make it personalized. Make the room truly special by adding personalized touches. Some popular options include name decals. Add personalized touch with name decals or wall stickers. Hang up family photos to create photo collage, or create a customized wall art with your kids' name, favorite quotes, or special message. Add monogram decor such as personalized blanket or pillow to create a unique and special touch. Sixth and the last task is to add textile and rugs. Add textile and rugs to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Some popular options include area rugs. Add an area rug to define the space and create a cozy atmosphere. You can also add throw pillows to the bed and sofa to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribe the channel. Kindly remember to share it with your family and friend, and stay tuned for next video.